Pero kay ganda ang pagmasdan, paro-paro hiwag kang taglay ng anino, kaining ng labi o paano. Paro-paro kay ganda ang pagmasdan, paro-paro ngiting malapit tuwing o kanino, tamis na nagmula sa'yo. Namumulaklak saya, namumukat kay huli, natutugtungan simulang palaisipan, hindi mapapantayan, hindi mapapalitan. Dalhin mo ako inside.
I remember the time and the Tennessee walks. Now I know just how much I have lost. Yes, yes I lost my dear darling. The night we were playing the beautiful Tennessee waltz.
Ano ba nagtuturo kay Kiwan? Nagtuturo silang pagmamahal o hindi na natutuman?
Is my beautiful life.
Magtali 60, 78.
Oh, life, look forward. When the stars start to shine, by the same stars above you, I
Happy birthday, Lola Presi!
Happy 78th birthday, Kasinsin. May you have more birthdays to celebrate. Kasinsin, happy 78th birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Lola Presi!
Hello Lola, dito yung pinakagwapo mong apo. Happy 78th birthday sa'yo. Miss you, I love you. Ang wish ko sa'yo is good health, long live.
Happy 78th birthday, Lola. We wish you all health and long life. We love you.
Happy 78th birthday, Lola. Wishing you good health.
Long life. And enjoy your life.
We love you, Mama.
Pero kay ganda ang pagmasdan.
Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang pagkain, sa'yo ang inumin. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sana'y mabusog mo kami. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inumin, sa'yo ang pulutan. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sana'y di tayo malasing. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang tugtugan, sa'yo ang sayawan. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sana'y lumigaya ang lahat. mabusog mo kami. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inumin, sa'yo ang pulutan. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sana'y di tayo malasing. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang tugtugan, sa'yo ang sayawan. Happy, happy, happy